we've been talking about the trend in people travelling to countries like Turkey for cheaper procedures. And today we're turning our attention to hair restoration, which of course comes in many forms: hair transplants, laser therapy, medication. It's a booming industry in the UK and abroad. Turkey's tourism board says that in 2022 alone, 1 million people from around the world travelled to the country for hair transplant surgery. Will, let's talk to you. How old are you, Will?
30 years old.
30 years old. What happened with your hair and hair loss?
I'll be quite honest with you, it wasn't really a male pattern baldness that a lot of people obviously go through. It was more that I've always had a very similar hairline that was quite naturally receded, and it's not like it became a massive problem.
Okay, so you weren't distressed by it, were you?
Not really. I mean, obviously, when you compare the photos of me, prior to it to now, I'm really pleased with the results. But it was one of the things where, it wasn't necessary, but it was, it was like as people say, a glow up. It's not
a glow up. Did you say?
Yeah, that's what it's been. Yeah.
Why Turkey?
It's just the place to be. After that, I think. Is it? I can't remember the other place that's near to Turkey that's also renowned for it.
Did you check it out in terms of safety before you went? Regulation, because that's one of the problems, isn't it? That we've been speaking about it on this programme in terms of places advertising cosmetic procedures which aren't regulated, don't have the same standards that you would have in the UK.
Yeah, I'll be quite honest. A lot of my research was on YouTube, reliving people's experiences, and I appreciate there's a lot of horror stories out there, and you can get caught out very easily. If you used to look online, there's a lot of middlemen selling, a service, and you're not actually dealing with the actual, surgeons and hospital that's actually done it. I did a bit of research and found that I wanted to book directly with the same place that was actually doing pay them directly. There was no package deal or anything like that. It was all directly with them, and just looking at their reviews, it was very transparent. And I really recommend everything doing that. But I appreciate there's a lot of horror stories, and I think just to go on, it's emphasised to me that it's an open wound. And you've got essentially an open wound on the back of your head.
Right.
And obviously, if you still have a beard transplant, the whole front of your face is essentially an open wound. So you just really got to look after it and keep it clean, and just make sure that it's dealt with the proper antiseptics and all the sort of special shampoos you get given. You've got to follow it. You can't just.
Well, I mean, it's good that you did that, and it's all worked out well. Will Chisholm, who had a hair and beard transplant in Turkey, very happy with it. Will, as you said, you are happy, aren't you?
Yeah, certainly.
Absolutely.
Yeah,